This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 3 of building Optimus Prime from the Transformers movie series. In this issue, I'm going to be starting on the foot, or a foot. You've got two, so I'm starting on a foot. But first of all, we're going to look at Michael Bay, obviously the man behind the movie series. Agent Orion Pax. It sounds like a familiar name, but I'm not sure. Ratchet, yeah, that's a much more familiar name. I'm well aware of him. I had the toy as a child, the Transformers thing. The first comics, I never really got into the comics. The cartoons I watched and the toys I played with, but yeah, didn't read the comics. I think I probably read a couple of them, but not in a big way. But yeah, all good stuff. So it's the right foot that we're starting on. I shall, as ever, put the picture-in-picture up as I'm doing each stage, but it doesn't look like very much. It's got some very nice, meaty, weighty parts in it. But yeah, I mean, for beginning bits, it's nice, it's huge, but yeah, obviously it's in there somewhere. It's got lots of more stuff to go around the outside of it before we're completed. But that is that. I shall start that, well, about now, actually. Right, here we have the parts. This is the one that stands out. It's really heavy. It's obviously a solid piece. Probably toe from the look of it. I don't really know. But we'll start off as we mean to go on with which bit? I can't even tell which bit we're starting with. It must be this. Yes, there we go. Starting off with this piece, which we're putting some screws in without anything going into them. That's a bit strange. Reinforcing the foot casing. Okay, so these screws are going in and not actually holding anything in. KP screws and a JP screw, in fact, as well. So two of these. Can't get the second one out. There we go. Lots of different types of screws in this issue, so be aware. They are all labelled on these bags, so be careful. But yeah. So that is going in there. Right, yeah, this is like two pieces put together but not quite screwed together. So hence the screwing it together now, I assume. Slightly strange way of doing it, but that's what we've got to do. So we'll get those in there. Now, obviously, this is a plastic part, this single one. So be wary of over-tightening screws and stripping threads from the inside of the hole. Probably won't, but it is only holding these two bits together that are pretty much already together. So no strain is really going to be applied to that. So you don't need to go over the top with it. Next up is a JP screw. Put those over there out of the way. Which is a slightly shorter version. Which is going through there. So yeah, there we go. That's that, holding that together a little bit better. Fine, that's okay. It feels strange putting in a screw to something that's already assembled, but there you go. Right, we are next going to need BM screws, not IP. Sideways 8 MP. Silvery ones. PP. Is it going to be the last one? It's going to be the last one that I pick up. And BM, there we go. Not quite the last one. So we're using 2 BM screws for this bit. Always get one too many out of the packet. Very, very annoying. Right, so this is going on that side. on there. What? Right, we've got that way round, and that's going up that way. So that's going on there like so, with this on this side, like so. These are metal pieces, although that interior piece is plastic. So be aware of that. Right, so these screws are going in there and there. Through the middle there, which will hold it all together. This one through there will also hold it all together. Both in and then tighten it up so it's nice and secure. There we go. So we've got some articulation there, which is fine. That's, yeah, it's quite substantial. It's quite meaty. Next up, we need one of these little washer pieces. I'll get all of those out of there. There's two washers and another little piece in there. Bag will be kept for later potential storage use. Right, so we're putting in an MP screw. I think I saw one of them. Where's that one? There we go. An MP screw there, nice big one. So this is then going through the little washer, a little sprung washer there, and then through that bit, making sure the notches are on the other side. That is there, and that is then going on to that bit there. Obviously, it's got keyed in places for the notches to go. So get that on there the right way round, like that, and then tighten that up. Give us some definition to the movement, possibly. Maybe a little bit of friction for the movement, to be honest. There we go. That is that. It's coming together. I'm liking it. I'm liking it quite a lot. Now we need to put that aside for a moment and do some more stuff with these bits. Plastic hinge type pieces. So we've got that, which has then got that going over there. Like that. And that's a GP screw. Is that one of these that I didn't get to yet? The big one. GP screw going through there. Like so, if you get it lined up properly. There you go. That is that. Be careful not to over tighten the screw. Fit the pin of the joint, is that this bit? Go into somewhere. Wait, what? Oh, they turned it round without telling me. That goes into there. Oh, it's got the hole on one side. That will fit into there. A bit like that. Figure out if it's that way up or if I need to rotate it in a moment. I can't quite make it out from the picture there, but we'll see. This is then going on to there. Right, so that's that way around now. Going on there. Wait, what? Then that way around. Right, okay, we'll get there eventually. Right, I've got to figure this bit out. This is not as clear as I could make it. That's going to be down in there. Don't join up, but that's how they got to be. That can't join up anywhere else. So this going on that way round. that going through. All right, I'm going to have to get a closer look at the instructions and figure out exactly what's going on with that. Then, yeah, right. Let's skip that bit for a minute and go back to this bit. Where we'll get this one together. With that going on there, like that. And we're going to use an FP screw for that. Is that one of these ones? It is. I thought it was PP, but it's FP. So that's got to go through there. I'm assuming that other washer is actually spare, so I will be putting that back in that bag, I think, to keep that safe. So that's going on there. And then that's going on there with another FP screw. Got to get that the right way round as well. It is that way round. Like that. Let's get the other one of those out. We'll put that away just before I lose it. I know what I'm like. Probably never need it, but it's always worth keeping just to make sure. So that's going to go through that side from the same side as the other one. What is it? No, it's actually showing it's going through from the other side. So we'll follow the instructions. Put that one through there. Now we've got that hinged in a couple of different areas. Is that bit turning? That probably should. Yeah, it's just tight. So that will ease up. Anyway, I might loosen that screw a little bit. Oh no, that's already easier. So that's that. Right, let me double check that bit where it's going to attach and then attach this bit to the other side. So I'll figure that out and show you how it looks. Right, I figured that bit out. That goes onto there with the BM screw. So it's got no articulation in the joint there, but the hinge down here does enable you to move the, I assume, toe. This bit goes on the other side, much the same. There is a key out piece there and obviously a directional one there. So that once that's on there, that won't move either. But this does have the added joint there. An IP screw for that bit. Through there. Like that. And it does leave one of each of the screws spare, which is exactly as intended normally. So yeah, there we have that, which now has some movement there and obviously there as well. Well, that bit doesn't, that bit does, and that bit does as well. I don't know. I'm assuming that's heel. It could easily be, I really don't know. We'll figure it out when other parts come together. But that is already heavy, substantial, and 1 foot, or a part of 1 foot, not even the main part of 1 foot. Next time we've got some more of this foot coming, and then I've got a quick, almost no build episode coming up after that. So I shall see you very soon for that. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Do leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you're thinking of the build so far. And I'll see you for the next part very, very soon. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.